For today's project, I wanted to show you how to make another easy piece of holiday decor. To make your own, you need a glitter gold reindeer ornament, E6000 spray, a rectangle serving tray, music sheet, a glue gun, and a pair of scissors. Start by trimming the music sheet to the size of the platter. Spray the platter with glue and add the sheet. Glue the reindeer to the center. Allow everything to dry and display in your home. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.